Alright, so the Shortcuts for Excel playlist are made up of a series of very short videos. They weren't meant to be very long, they'll generally be 1 to 2 minutes in length. And what they're designed to do are just focus on the shortcuts to do specific functions that I know, if you know how to do them or know the shortcuts, will actually speed up using Microsoft Excel. So there are a lot of them and we're continuing to add more and more. There should be in the end about 400 videos for the shortcuts that you can actually work with. So it will be quite intensive. Now, if you do like this playlist, then simply subscribe to our channel so you find out when more of these shortcuts will actually go up, and give us a thumbs up for any videos that you think were very useful in this playlist. Thanks for your support.